Well, happy days, my fantastic artistic friends. Welcome back to Painting with MasterTemple. We're not going to be painting today, well, not as such. I've got a very important package, a very special gift from a very talented young artist who's been with the channel since the very beginning, young Konnan. And he and his mum have watched the channel and they've done lots of tutorials and they've developed themselves as well as I've developed myself. You know, you look back at some of my earlier paintings to what we do now, they're a little bit more complex. But Konnan has suffered, with his mental health, and he has overcome personal challenges, and he suffers from PTSD, which is something I can clearly relate to. And he's taken art and the stuff we do on the channel as some kind of comfort and inspiration, which really does hit me there and really makes me feel really proud and humble at the same time. And as a way of thanking me for what I do, which just watching the videos and liking and everything is more than enough, but he really wanted to send me something special, and he sent me this large parcel, and I can't wait to get into it, and I really am honoured. Konnan, when he leaves school, would like to become an art therapist, and that really does touch me in a way that something I've done on this channel has inspired somebody's career path, and I'm sure he will make an amazing art therapist. I've seen some of his work, we've shared some of his work on the channel in previous videos, and he really has got a talent for such a young artist, really has got a talent. So without further ado, let's crack this painting picture open, this parcel of a painting open, and let's have a look at it. Happy days. Well, I've waited so long to get into this package. So this is the only problem we have in a little setup like this. It's going to be hard to get into, and obviously don't want to damage the contents inside. So let's just start off down here and just trim along this. I may need to fast forward this part, but I'm super excited. Look at this. Got to be gingerly, this is going to damage the contents inside. I think we're in, folks. I think we're in. Just let me double check, make sure there's nothing untoward inside, no evidence or anything. Yeah, okay, ID evidence, as Kelly would say. Right, we're in, folks. So let's see if we can just slide this out. Whoa, wow. Wow. Anything else in there? Nothing. That's perfect. So there we go, folks. Right. Let's be very careful with this. Very careful. Just snip off some of this. And down here. Excuse me. And up here. Right, so there's a few things there. Just let me. Right, so excuse me. So we have got a few things here. So we've got a large painting. Let's just get rid of this. Is there anything on that? No. So we have got a large painting there, and let's just crack this open. So look at this. Look at this. So this is Konnan's painting. Let's have a look at that. Konnan's, the 2nd of the 3rd, 2004. First still life in oils. To MasterTemple, thank you for helping me learn to paint. You're the best. From Konnan, Little Wolf. Oh, Konnan. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that epic? And still life is one of the hardest things to paint, in my opinion. That's a wonderful apple. Well done, Konnan. I'm going to treasure that forever. I'm going to put it in my personal gallery. Thank you so much, young man. And you will become a fantastic art therapist. That is amazing. I'm really honoured. I'm really touched by that. And what is this? This is this a postcard? So is that another one of your pictures on a poster? That's an amazing idea. Wow. That's epic. I do love postcarded pictures, yeah. Excellent stuff. And what we got here, so we'll just pop that safe just there. And what is this? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. And there's a little signature just down there. Konnan again, yeah. Look at that. That is epic. That is one stunning picture. I do like it. Look at the reflections. The stars. Oh, wow. I am truly honoured. I really am. And I hope the people down in the comment section will share their appreciation as well, because this is something that doesn't happen to me often. I'm absolutely speechless. You know, I really am. And Konnan, you will become an amazing art therapist. You're already an amazing artist. Look at this. This is just so realistic, isn't it? The camera does not do these pictures justice. Yeah. So please, if you're watching, guys, put it in the comments how well Konnan's done. He really has gone above and beyond himself. Look at that. It's just amazing. Thank you. And thank you, Angie. Thank you. So, I'm speechless. Join me on another painting video quite soon, where we'll be painting something unusual. A little bit of, I think it's a Mediterranean landscape and a Mediterranean scene. But until next time, take care and stay safe. Thank you, Konnan. Happy days. What a gift. Thank you.